Indian Pharmacist Association (IPA) Manipur State Branch na Drugs and Cosmetic Rules 1945 ki Rule 64 ki MAKHADA competent person HAPPADA qualified OIRABA registered pharmacist ki MAHUTTA science graduate oina HAPPA AMADI lisingani kungamanga ki September da PANGTHOKKADABA Manipur State Pharmacy Council election PANGTHOKTABGI MAYOKTA WAKAT MEEPHAM PANGTHOKKANI HAIRI IPA Manipur State Branch ki Maikadagi Thadorapa Cherolamada Pharmacy Organizations, Professional Associations, Pharmacy Institutions, Registered Pharmacists, Pharmacy Students, Pharmaceutical Stakeholders, Amadi Pharmacy ga Mari Lainaba Khudimagna, Pharmacy gi lamda Professional Oibasing Nathairaga, Professional Oidabaga Singa, Khudung Chaba P Bagi Mayokta, Amadi Mikhal Tinthabagi Mayokta, Chathagadaba, WAKAT MEEPHAM da saruk yabinaba amadi khongjang asida mari leinaba authorities sing amadi stakeholders sing asu support tawinaba appeal tawrakli